Hello, hello guys. Welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to find anything in your Windows computer very easily. Okay, first of all, select a file and we can take this file named Chanakya Niti Shastra, and here it is. The book, the book is that's okay. Now go to our search type. Okay, I typed in my Windows search console, and now again search in that software named everything. Okay, and that's good, it's done. You see, that's the book. It's incredibly fast, and Windows can't finish its searching. So you can pause this video for a while, and after a 1 minute it's done, and you see the difference, how incredibly fast this software works. So this software name is Search Everything. If you want to install it in your computer, you can search in Google named everything. Okay, I will show you. And this the first website that's appear. The website is Void Tools, and then you go to download section. You can install the download installer and 64-bit installer. It also support the portable 64-bit installer, so you can travel with the software and search anything anywhere. Okay, that's it for today. See you next day.